Grok AI is now locked behind a paid subscription. So I went ahead, tested a bunch of methods, and found a way to use it completely free. No subscriptions, no waitlists, and you can start generating cinematic AI videos right away. And the strangest part? Almost nobody is using it this way yet. So let me show you exactly how this works. Because the tool behind this is something most people completely overlook. It's called Key API. But what it actually unlocks is far more powerful than it first appears. Because this isn't just about Grok. It's a full access hub for multiple AI models in one place. Image tools, video tools, and even models people are usually paying monthly subscriptions for. All inside one dashboard. Now, here's how you actually get in. And this part is way easier than you'd expect. No waitlists, no tricks. Just hit Get Started and log in with Google. That's it. And when you get inside, this is where it gets kind of insane. You're not just getting Grok, you're getting access to dozens of image and video models in one dashboard, tools people usually pay monthly for. Now here's how you actually find Grok inside this. Just type Grok in the search, and it shows up instantly. Click Try It, and this opens a full generation interface built just for Grok Imagine. And this is where it actually starts to get powerful. Inside, there are a bunch of ways to use it: image editing, video generation, upscaling, all of that. But here's the part that actually matters: text to video. Because this is where most AI tools completely fall apart. And this one actually holds up. Now, before you generate anything, this part matters more than the tool itself. Your results depend entirely on your prompt. Most people type something basic and get basic results. But if you want something cinematic, you need to think like a filmmaker. Just adding things like cinematic lighting, golden hour, or shallow depth of field can completely change how real it looks. I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'm generating a cinematic scene between a man and a woman at a cafe at night. Let's see how realistic this turns out. Now, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and keep the mode on normal. It supports up to 30 seconds at 720p. But if you want to save credits, you can lower the duration and resolution. Then hit Run. The generation is very fast. It only takes a few seconds. While that's loading, if you're into content like this, subscribe so you don't miss future tools and tests I break down on this channel. Now let's see the result.
I never meant to hurt you.
I know. It just hurts.
Can we try again?
Yes.
That's actually really clean. The lighting looks natural, the expressions are solid. Even the dialogue sync is surprisingly accurate. For something like this running on a free workflow, that's honestly impressive. Let's try another one. This time, I'm changing the prompt. Everything else stays exactly the same. Let's run it. And here's the result. For text to video, it's fairly decent, though not particularly impressive. The characters still look more like CGI models than real people. Now, obviously, credits aren't unlimited forever. Once they run out, you can either wait for the reset or switch accounts for testing. There's also another method I showed in a previous video if you want to explore more. You can watch that next. If this helped you, like and subscribe. I'll keep testing and sharing tools like this. See you in the next one.